mile. Stay to the right to I-95 North.
So, y'all can see what this is. My latch on my Hyundai. The little alarm is going off saying that my latch is, like my hood is open. So I Googled what to do, and they said there could be corrosion or, you know, just dirty. So what I did was took my screwdriver, put it in here, and then I was just kind of cleaning around. So I got a lot of the corrosion and dirt and stuff out of there. And we're gonna see if this, you know, works or helps. This is my 2016 Hyundai Sonata. It's just screaming at me randomly. So it could be the sensor, which is down there, or I could just need a whole new, you know, a whole new sensor. But we shall see. I'm gonna clean it a little bit more.